everyone. I hope you all are fine and doing well in your studies. Dear students, today our lecture is excess pressure inside liquid drop. So as you can see, the topic is written at the top of the board, that is excess pressure inside liquid drop. So students, first of all you should know that what is a liquid drop. Everyone has seen liquid drop, and liquid drops are spherical in nature. Students, liquid drops are spherical in nature. This already we have studied that it is due to surface tension. But obviously if anything is spherical, that means any pressure is applied from the inside of that object. Okay, so here we will talk about that inside pressure, and the outside pressure means atmospheric pressure. So let us start. First of all, I have taken a liquid drop. You can see the radius of the liquid drop is capital R, and whenever it is stretched means the pressure is applied on it, means Pi is the inside pressure inside the drop, then it will get stretched. Okay, and Dr is the increased radius of your liquid drop. So students, just see, consider a liquid drop having surface tension T and radius R. You know that surface tension we denote by the letter T. Okay, Pi pressure inside the drop and To is pressure outside the liquid drop. Okay, so students, what is excess pressure? As I told you that if the liquid drop is spherical, means inside pressure is more. If outside pressure would be more, then liquid drop will get squeezed. That means it will not be spherical. Okay, so it is spherical, that means pressure inside the drop is more and outside pressure is less. So Pi is the inside pressure, Po is the outside pressure. So what will be excess pressure inside the drop? Pi minus Po. Okay. Now students, we will calculate the outward force. So outward force is force on drop is equal to pressure into area. So pressure already we have calculated. It is Pi minus Po and area is 4 pi r square. Obviously it is a spherical and area of sphere is 4 pi r square. What is the work done in increasing the surface area? As I told you, inside pressure is more, so obviously it will apply force in outward direction and area of this drop will get increased. So what is the work done in increasing that surface area? So work done is force into displacement. Okay, so force already we have calculated, Pi minus Po, and displacement means Dr. Okay, so this is the work done in increasing surface area, Pi minus Po, 4 pi r square Dr. Students, now we will calculate potential energy. Potential energy means your surface energy, and you know surface energy is always equal to surface tension multiplied by increase in surface area, means kitna surface area increase hua. So surface tension is T. How you will calculate this increased surface area? This is the increased surface area. So in mathematics you have studied area of outer sphere minus area of inner sphere. So what is the area of outer sphere? 4 pi radius square. Now what is the radius of outer sphere? Inside R, outside Dr. So total radius means from here to here it is R plus Dr. Okay, so this is your 4 pi R plus Dr whole square minus area of inner sphere 4 pi R square. Okay, now T 4 pi R square plus Dr square plus 2Dr. I have just applied one formula, A plus B whole square minus 4 pi R square. Open these brackets. 4 pi r square plus 4 pi dr square plus, now multiply this 4 pi by 2r dr, it will be 8 pi r dr minus 4 pi r square. Students, Here now we will neglect one term, that is 4 pi dr square, because as you know that dr square means square of a very small quantity. Students, square of a very small quantity can be neglected. For example, 0.001 sorry, if you will take square of this, then obviously it will be very small and we can take it equal to 0. Okay, so what left with me, that I will write at the top, that potential energy is equal to 4 pi r square, and 4 pi r square will cancel out. So I am left with 8 pi r dr and t. So this is potential energy expression I got. Work done I have already calculated. I have erased that. So once again I am writing work done, which already we have calculated, that is equal to force into displacement, means Pi minus Po 4 pi r square dr. This is work done, this is potential energy, and you know that according to conservation of energy both will be same. That means potential energy is equal to work done. Students, equate these both. Potential energy is 8 pi r dr t, and work done is Pi minus Po 4 pi square 4 pi r square dr. Cancel the terms which can be cancelled. So you can see here pi is here, so pi and pi will cancel. R, okay, rest I will take in denominator Pi minus Po, this term. So here I am having 8 r dr t upon, take those terms, 4 r square dr. dr and dr will cancel out. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. 1 r will cancel out. So Pi minus Po equal to 2T upon R. So students, this is expression for pressure inside a liquid drop. Whenever you will calculate pressure inside a liquid bubble, you have to multiply your final expression with 2, because in liquid bubble there are 2 free surfaces. So this is enough for today. Thank you. Have a good day.